Hi, peeps. Hope everybody's having a great day. This is how I start out my day. Nescafe, I make myself a nice coffee, throw in a little bit of collagen and some iodine. Iodine helps your body cure from a whole bunch of diseases, especially if you got thyroid or autoimmune. I get myself a bowl of plain white Greek yogurt, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of granola, and let's get this done. Hello, my beautiful YouTube peeps. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. How was your week? Did you have a good week? I had a crazy busy week. That's why I wasn't on Monday. I'm very sorry. But after the party, I had to go to work. You know, I'm working again full time. So I really didn't have time to get this done. And I wanted to clean the house. So today, I'm jumping right into the video. Today is a decorate with me and a clean with me together. I don't think I've ever done such an extensive clean with me. Now, we shall see what it looks like when I edit it all. But yes, I'm in the uniform, what my daughter calls the uniform, the black leggings and the black t-shirt, black v-neck t-shirt with some kind of motivational saying or something cute on it. This is how I clean the house, y'all. This is how I clean the house. This is real life. So my kitchen needs cleaning after the party. I mean, this is like the 4th or 5th time I'm going to clean it because of cooking and all that. And I want to do some decor that matches the rest of the kitchen and show you what I'm going to come up with, because I don't know what I'm going to come up with yet. We'll have to see. I'm going to go in the garage. So I made a coffee. You saw that. I made a coffee. I had my breakfast. I like to eat that plain Greek yogurt with a little bit of honey and granola on it. And let's get started. Okay, my friends, I'm a little embarrassed to show you what a disaster this kitchen really is. I mean, when you have a small kitchen, I find that the clutter collects really quick, and it's really much harder to keep a small kitchen clean than a large kitchen. So here we go. We're gonna do this together. I'm picking up all the garbage first, and you know what I realized? I should have done the garbage yesterday. Okay, so this is my first time ever doing one of these clean with me videos. I've never done this before, but the kitchen really needed cleaning and I really wanted to decorate. And I watch these cleaning videos and I think, oh, they're done so well. And you know what? Sometimes you gotta try new things. So I figured, okay, let me come out of my comfort zone and try a cleaning video. Do I think I'm going to do this again? Probably not. Okay, so this is how I like to clean. I collect all the garbage and then I load my dishwasher. And now I have to finish washing the pots and the big bowls that don't fit in the dishwasher. So I'm going to do that and then you'll see what I'm going to be up to. So after the party, we had no room. I had a lot of leftovers, so we had no room in that refrigerator to put anything in. But I've always had 2 refrigerators. So when I move to the bigger house, hopefully sooner than later, I'll get a second refrigerator in the garage, and that'll help out for stuff like that. Okay. How many times do you wipe down your countertops? I mean, I think I wipe down my countertops 100 times a day. I swear to God. I find that Southwest Florida has a lot of dust. Like, there's always dust. The house gets really dusty, and I cannot stand dust on a countertop. Okay, y'all, look at this cute little thing. You take your paper towel, you make a triangle, and you wet it underneath, and it's so cute. So, so cute. But I fussed with it a bit too much, and it came apart. But I'm going to fix it. Watch. I'm showing you again. Look how cute that is. So cute. I do this with my toilet paper, too. I saw it on, of course, TikTok or Instagram or one of these. Okay, so I had this melon, and I don't want it to go bad. And I'm trying to encourage my family to eat more fruits and vegetables. So I always have lots of fruit cut up for them to eat. And I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator, cut up in little pieces so everybody can snack on it. And here we go again, me wiping down. Well, I'm wiping down now from the cantaloupe. Okay, finally I'm going to get everything moved out so we can get to decorating. The good stuff, you know, the fun stuff, not this cleaning stuff. The cleaning stuff drives me crazy. All right, decor. Oh, and have you seen those new Dawn squeeze bottles? Love them. So I brought in a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm moving them around. I brought in the shelf. I brought in my lemon decor. I brought in the little box. Whatever I'd left. I'm just going to use whatever I've left. So I want these 2 lemon signs there, and I moved the lamp. And I wasn't sure if I was going to put my toaster back or what I was going to do. And I know I have my back to you, but don't worry. You'll see it once it's all done. Said and done. And I love using these little picks. They're really good. Really, really good, guys. Okay, so now I'm thinking, if I ever do one of these videos ever again, I'm going to have to reposition the camera so you don't see my backside oh so much, because really, it's not that cute. Guys, I love using towels as decor. I'm just placing this on top of my toaster, and I like to keep the butter on top of the toaster. Okay, I'm just fussing with my cutting boards. I really should have filmed in a different angle, but you know, trial and error. Okay. Before I continue decorating, I needed some water. I needed a water break. And I know everyone's going to laugh at me. I squeeze my lemons like this with a fork and my hand. That's it. No special nothing. I put lots of water and lemon in a cup and squeeze it and then drink this all day long. It's really good. Okay, guys, what I'm showing you here are these little plate stand things. And you can find those linked in my Amazon store. They are fantastic to decorate with. Really, really, really fantastic. You need to go check them out. They're super inexpensive, super good quality. I mean, you get a ton of them. I think you get like 4 sizes. So they're really great. And they hold your plates up properly, and they're nice and clear. And I really wanted to use my little chicken and a little lemon plate on the shelf. You'll see it's going to turn out really cute. Now, a little greenery goes a long way. And this is just a garland I had. And I'm sure I had it like wrapped into things and stuff like that. Like I was saying, greenery really goes a long way. And I brought that lemon box out again, and I'm just placing a few little lemons here and there. I think I did a total of 5. You'll see, and it looks so cute. Oh, by the way, if you're interested, those plates, the white ones, they're sunflowers. So, I mean, you can use sunflowers in the summer and I guess in the fall. I like them both times. And then these little pots of greenery, super cute. Okay, let's move on. So here's my diffuser, and I love this. And I put lemongrass scent in it. Really good. I want the whole house to smell like lemons. I really do. First of all, I really want to thank you for spending the time with me doing this, decorate with me and clean with me. I thought this was, really out of my comfort zone. And sometimes you got to do things that you're not comfortable with. So thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by and spending time with me. I hope it motivated you to get your kitchens clean and decorated really, really nice. And do something special for yourselves and have a beautiful environment, because a clean environment's a beautiful environment to begin with. And then when you add a little bit of decor, it just makes it all that more special. For me, the last and final touch is always lighting a candle. Okay, sit back and look at the whole kitchen now, all done. Sometimes when you have a little kitchen, you think to yourself, I can't decorate a little kitchen. Sure you can. You use your creativity and you put minimal decor and you make it functional. So make your decor functional and pretty. That's what I always say. That's a good part of decor. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait till the end and I'll say goodbye to y'all. Okay, my friends, what do you think? It's all clean, it's decorated, it looks so cute. This is a very, 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 very tiny kitchen. This is the smallest kitchen that I've ever had in my life, but it works, it does its job. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I am blessed. And now I'm gonna go relax because I'm pooped, y'all, I'm pooped. That was a lot of cleaning. Let's see how this turns out. I've never done this before. But I'm swearing by my lemon water. It does. I swear it does. I swear it gives me energy. It gives me energy, and it gives me just like that zing in my water to keep me going for the day. Oh, speaking of the day, happy Memorial Day. I know it's Memorial Day weekend here. Oh my God, another party. I think we're invited. I know I'm invited to a couple parties this weekend. I don't know where I'm going, but I know we're invited to a couple of Memorial Day parties. So, thank you for spending the time with me. I hope this motivated you. Thank you for stopping by and supporting my little channel. Thank you so much. We are growing. We're growing again. I'm so happy. And I hope you like the kitchen. I hope we gave you some motivation to go out there, go find what you have, use what you have, use whatever plates you have left, napkins, any decor you have left, make it cute, make it happy, make your homes a happy place for you, and don't let anyone tell you any different. You be happy doing whatever you want. I love you all, mwah, and I will see you on Monday. I'll see you on Monday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a fantastic weekend.